Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing well. If you are a seafood lover, then this recipe is for you. As gonna share how you can make super crispy prawns tempura at home in an easy way with a secret tip. Also sharing how you can make and freeze them for a longer time. Hope you like this video. Keep watching. For making prawns tempura, here I have taken 500 grams of prawns, clean, devein, and then wash them with salt and turmeric. You may make a slit of prawns to keep it straight, however I am keeping it as it is. Now quick marination. Sprinkle little salt, then goes in quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give all a good mix. Now we are taking 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Add in a pinch of salt and pepper powder. Give a mix. Now add in chilled water into it and then make a paste. Make a thick paste. Now to this we're going to add 1 egg. Combine all well. This is the paste we require. Do not make it too runny. Now add in the marinated prawns to the batter and coat well. Now allow this to sit. Meanwhile, let's prepare the dry coating mixture. For that, into a bowl, take half a cup of corn flour and half a cup of breadcrumbs. You may add a pinch of salt if required. Give a mix. Now the secret tip of getting super crispy prawns is due to this double coating method. The marination which we already prepared using chilled water and then coating it into the dry mixture. Now add the marinated prawns and coat with the dry mixture. This double flour coating method will make your prawns crispy. Gently press and coat it well and then place it on a plate. Continue the same with the remaining. Now quick tip, if you're going to freeze it, firstly place the plate into a freezer for an hour or two, as this will make the prawns coating to set well, as you can see here. Then store it in a Ziploc bag or any airtight container and freeze them for a couple of months. Whenever required, just take, fry and enjoy. No need to thaw. Now let me show you how I fry the frozen crispy prawns. For that, heat up oil into a pan. Here I'm going to shallow fry them. You may also deep fry if you like. Then place the frozen prawns. No need to thaw them. Let the flame be on medium-low. Now fry them on both the sides until they turn golden and crispy on both sides. It's an excellent appetizer or delicious snack during Ramadan or even on normal days. From kids to adults, everyone will enjoy this delicious crispy prawns tempura. You must definitely give it a try, as I'm sure you'll love it. Cook on both the sides until it turns golden and crispy. It's cooked well. As you can see how crispy it looks. With mild spices and double coated marination, this tastes absolutely delicious. Super crispy prawns tempura is ready. Now enjoy this with your favorite sauce. Now let me show you how crispy it turned. See how crispy it turned from outside and soft and juicy from inside. Hope you like this easy and quick recipe. Then do give a thumbs up and share among your family and friends. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care of yourself. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.